tower, next round's about an 8-mile final at Sierra Sierra, cross runway 10 center, hold short runway 10 left.
0 center, show 10 left up Sierra Sierra, 663.
Arrival. What's the gate?
What I open?
Monitor tower 13279 1583. 484, monitor tower 132.7. 4720 traffic 4 mile final now, cross runway 10 center Sierra Sierra, hold short runway 10 left.
Sierra clear cross 10 center, hold short 10 left Sierra Sierra, American 4720. You guys take care, American 2258.
Take parking.
Echo 4, Cessna
5309, monitor 132.7. Next arrivals on a 4 mile final at Sierra Sierra, cross runway 10 center, hold short of runway 10 left.
10 center, short 10 left Sierra Sierra, United 1755.
All 51, next arrival 5 mile final at Sierra Sierra, now cross runway 10 center, hold short runway 10 left.
Left 10 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short, 327.
West 5192, tower next arrives about a 7 mile final. Sierra Sierra, cross 10 center, hold short runway 10 left.
0 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short 10 left. Got it.
West 5783, tower next arrival 6 mile final. Cross runway 10 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short runway 10 left.
Cross 10 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short 10 left. Skyway 5783. Tower traffic 6 mile final. Now cross runway 10 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short runway 10 left.
1398, cross 10 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short of 10 left.
So 686, is that you checking on?
Service of the PRM, of the localization runway 10 center.
And that's 686 is her 1070. Constantly surveillance your phone and a heavy. RBR is more than 6,000. Just cross 50 approach end. Runway 10 center, clear to land. United 2784, next arrival at the marker at Sierra Sierra, cross runway 10 center.
Skyway 5419, tower next arrival about an 8-mile final at Sierra Sierra, cross 10 center, hold short runway 10 left.
Sierra, cross 10 center, hold short 10 left, Scouts 5419. O'Hare Tower. 1382, safe parking and monitor 132.7.
32.7 and Charlie 28, United 1382.
Tower, next arrival 5 mile final at Sierra Sierra, now cross runway 10 center, hold short runway 10 left.
Sierra cross 10 center, hold short 10 left, and
2549 heavy, monitor tower 132.7.
27, Southern Cargo 2549 heavy, clear. Tower next arrival is about a 6-mile final, Sierra Sierra, cross 10 center, hold short runway 10 left.
Cross 10 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short 10 left, American 20.
Just called, they said it's going to be occupied for at least another 20 minutes.
Navy monitor tower 132.7.
27 for Skyway 5780.
D134 tower, traffic 6 mile final, cross runway 10 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short runway 10 left.
That's 10 center, Sierra Sierra, hold short 10 left, that was D134. 3733, tower next arrival about a 6-mile final at Sierra Sierra, cross runway 10 center, hold short runway 10 left. Center is short 10 left, runway 3733. Runway heading.
4201, check the localizer inbound, maintain 4000.
Localizer inbound up to 4000, 1401.
4469, monitor 132.7.
7, bye-bye, number 4469.
250, did they get back to you?
Total standby,
American 250, monitor tower 32.7. 2507 tower, next arrival on a 15 mile final at Sierra Sierra, cross runway 10 center, hold short of runway 10 left.
Cross 10 center.
Tower, traffic 5 mile final at Sierra Sierra, cross runway 10 center, hold short of runway 10 left.
Sierra, cross 10 center, hold short 10 left on 13734.
470 tower, traffic 5 mile final at Sierra Sierra, cross. Tower, traffic 5 mile final at Sierra Sierra, cross runway 10 center, hold short of runway 10 left.
Runway 10 center, Sierra, hold short, runway 10 left, United, 22 left. 5 heavy, Papa 5, turn left on Papa, hold short of Charlie, Charlie. Papa, hold short of Charlie, Charlie, Turkish, 5 heavy.